Alright guys, today we've got more parts. We actually got a cold air intake. Among other parts, we got some other big stuff going on for the truck, that 2009 F-150. But let's see what we got here today. Here's an intake, a cold air intake. I don't know if it's true cold, but it is a dry filter and comes with all the goodies. Elbow there. Filter. Looks like the housing for the filter. Instructions, and of course a license plate frame. Alright, it should be an easy install, so let's have at it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to move the factory air box, which is right there. It's just going to be a couple flat heads and a Torx head and a couple clips, and it should just bolt right up. Alright, let's go for it. So we got the aFe intake done. It's got it's pretty straightforward install. The cool part I think about this one is it removed a boatload of resonators. As you can see, I mean. If your 5.4 is anything like my 5.4, this thing howls when it's really cold, and I'm thinking this might eliminate some of that. Maybe not, but I do think that this is gonna help with a little bit more power and potentially more, a little more pep. We'll see. I don't know. I haven't taken it out on the road yet, so we'll check back in.